Hello and welcome to this lesson for design and technology. In this lesson, we are going to learn more about orthographic projection. In this lesson, you are going to look at the answer to the further question of last session, how to draw the front, top and side views of a block, including circles and arcs. Here is how the answer for the first one is going to look like. This is how the answer for the second one is going to be. Now consider this Lego part which is drawn. Diameter 42 of cylinder positioned centrally. That is, the cylinder with diameter 42 is positioned in the center of the square base. Here you can see the quadrant and the front view, top view and side view on the respective quadrants. In this section, you can see the front view, top view and side view respectively. You will agree with me that the section which is circular in isometric projection appears as rectangles in the front view and side view. Also, different types of lines have been used. Now we are going to consider this block and draw it into orthographic projection. Step 1. We count for the total height, width and depth. That is, height 75 millimeters, width 80 millimeters, depth 20 plus 50 millimeters, which makes 70 millimeters. Step 2. Using the dimensions from the height, width and depth, draw the crate using 2H pencil. Do not forget to include the miter line. Step 3. Draw the front view onto the crate. Hence, use compass to draw the circles, each of radius 13 millimeters. Include the center lines and projection lines. Hence, draw the top view of the block. Project lines from the front view to obtain the visible and hidden sections of the top view. Lastly, the side view of the block is drawn by projecting lines from the top view. Do not forget to include the hidden lines for the circular section. This shows how to obtain an orthographic view which involves circular surfaces. As further questions, you're going to attempt these two numbers. You are going to have this as answer to question number 1. Note, you have to make use of different types of lines. This is how the answer for number 2 is going to look like. At the end of this lesson, we have been able to, firstly, get the answers of the previous questions. Secondly, draw shaped blocks including circles and arcs. Thirdly, practice an exercise and check out its answer. This comes to an end on orthographic projection. However, keep practicing. In our next session, we are going to look at Unit 1, which is Green Design. This brings us to an end of this lesson on orthographic projection. Do remember that all videos are available on the website of the Ministry of Education under the Student Support Program. Do watch the next lesson for Design and Technology. Thank you. Bye.